Hi, this is Peter from the DJ Podcast. In this video, we're going to look at how you can use control mode on the Native Instruments Maschine hardware controller to record a pattern in real time and edit the software parameters. Let's take a look at how you can record a pattern in real time. The first step is that you need to enable recording. You can simply do that by pressing the record button. Now, when you press play, you can go and hit any of the pads with the sound loaded, and it will start recording that pattern. When you're ready to stop, you can simply press record, that'll stop recording, and then press play to stop Maschine. Now obviously you wouldn't be using that exact pattern in a track, but it does show you how you can record patterns in real time. Now that you have recorded a pattern, you probably want to edit some of the parameters of that sound. Because of the interoperability between the software and hardware, it's really easy to do that on the hardware itself. You'll notice that the two displays here really reflect the parameter section of the software. When you make changes, the display and the software will work together and show different software parameters. So let's say that we want to edit the groove of this particular snare. We can go ahead and select groove from the button above the right LCD panel. And you saw that on the software, it went to the groove section. Now, if we adjust the swing with the hardware here, you'll see that it adjusts in the software. Now, if we wanted to adjust the groove on a different sound, we could do that by simply using the select button. So we'll press select, and then above you can see we have all the different options for the sounds in our pads. So we'll go to the shaker. Here we are still on the groove, and we can adjust this to a different value. One thing that will be very important throughout using Maschine is being able to adjust the volume of a sound from the hardware controller. So let's go over how you could record a drum and then change the volume. First, we're going to make sure that we've selected the particular pad that we want to record. We'll go select, and then we're going to go to our snare. Then we're going to enable recording. And for this, I'm actually going to put us into note repeat mode. Now we're going to press play and record that note. We'll stop recording and stop playing. So we'll go out of note repeat mode, and then we're going to want to focus on our displays. You can see right now that we are in the sound section, so we're going to be selecting this one particular sound. Then we want to go to the out section. This will display all of the output options for the particular sound. So we're going to look, and on our left display, you can see that we have a level adjustment. This is going to adjust the volume for that sound. So turning it to the right will increase the volume, turning it to the left will decrease the volume. You can see that as we change it on the hardware, it also changes in the software. That is a quick overview of the control mode on the Native Instruments Maschine hardware controller. Stay tuned for our next video where we look at the step sequencer mode. You can follow the Month of Maschine 2012 on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. And don't forget to visit thedjpodcast.com for more reviews, news, and how-tos.